Hello everyone, myself Navneet. Today I'm going to explain about the intro questions. Actually, some of the student gave the silly answers in their intro part. So now I'm going to explain about properly how we can organize and how we can boost our scores in the intro part. I will explain you some variation of grammar, not only variation of grammar, but also I will explain you some of the synonym which may be useful for you in order to boost your score. In this way, some of the student have gotten a very nice score, take according to the description which I have given to them. So now I am going to explain about the primary schools. First of all, the first question is what did you what did you like to do the most when you were in your primary school? Well, a lot of activities were done by me when I was in my primary school, but mostly I loved to play the football and cricket in the team, because games period was my favorite. So these type of activity genuinely was done by me, which were liked by me also. How did you go to your primary school? Actually, I was child as usual, and I was not able to go to my school independently. So that's why my parents, or sometime my parents dropped to me towards my primary school, and most of time my parents send to the school by a school bus. Next, how do you like your primary school? I love my primary school because it was one of the school where my holistic growth started, and now I am flourishing by leaps and bounds on the path of progress due to having a great growth which I have taken not only academically but also personally, because a lot of characteristics and traits also have been improved by that school. So that's why it play also indispensable role in my life. What did you do in your leisure activity in your primary school? A question repeat हो गया, like first question सीगा जिमें as usual. Well, leisure time ਦੀ बजाय ਤੁਸੀਂ spare time बोल सकते हो. My spare time was passed by doing some of the activities in my primary school. Like sometime I liked to play the indoor games with my friends, like hide and seek, and other games like sometime I participated in the Intakshari. That was also a game which was played by my school students, ठीक है, in a group. इस तरह दी activities हैं जिहड़ियां तुसी primary school दे विच करदे सीगे. Next जिहड़ा topic है राजे वो है environmental protection. Would you like to work in the company related to the environmental protection? Yes, definitely. If I get a chance, I would like to do something in order to protect the environment, because as we know that it is a fundamental duty of everyone in order to protect our environment. अपना environment ते ecological system ਨੂੰ balance ਰੱਖਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ fundamental duty है. Without balancing of environment, we can't survive on the earth. Next question, how can we protect the environment? By doing or by taking some of the dominant steps which are need of the hour in the present scenario. First of all, की करना चाहिए? We should participate in the afforestation and reforestation also. Like afforestation and reforestation की ਹੁੰਦਾ planting a plants. That is known as a afforestation. Reforestation की ਹੁੰਦਾ है जिथों ਆਪਾਂ plant ਨੂੰ ਪੱਟਦੇ ਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੁਬਾਰੇ ਲਾਉਣਾ. And we should use the public transport, and we should also use the bicycle for covering the short distance, because as we know that excess use of fossil fuels are detrimental to the environment, which lead a lot pollution also. And ਹੋਰ किस तरह ਦੇ steps हो सकते हैं? We should use some of the biodegradable products which are easily recycled, which are not challengeable in order to recycle. We should avoid to use the product which are made by the plastic also. So your next question is, do you think you have done enough to protect the environment? No, I don't think so, because as I'm student, I did not participated more, and I did a lot of things in order to protect the environment. I just have participated in some of the organization where I have did where I have done the work as a volunteer in order to keep the environment spick and span. Like in my hometown, I participated. I am also a member of a health club where a lot of steps are done by the local authority in order to keep the environment spick and span in our area. But in the future, I would like to do more. ठीक है, I don't think so I have done enough for the protection of environment. Next question है अपने कोले, is there education about the environment protection at school? Is there? Definitely, I think one of the environment subject had better be mandatory in the school curriculum, so that children can learn about the value of environment, the value of oxygen also. As we know that in the period of COVID-19, we thanked to all the people who distributed the cylinder of oxygen. But do you think that the oxygen which have been distributed to us a lot by the trees, we did not thank to them? So in these conditions, for knowing and for knowing about the value of protection of the environment and for protecting the environment, it is more important to indulge one subject in the school syllabus if we want to save our environment. Next topic है थोड़ा 24th New Year. New Year ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆ? How do you celebrate New Year? As usually, I celebrate my New Year with my friends and family by cutting a cake sometime. But I usually get up early in the morning. Then after that, I go to Gurdwara Sahib, pay for obeisance, and some of the celebrations are also done by me with my friends. If my mood is also fabulous, and when sometime I am over the moon. But nothing special is done by me for the celebration of New Year. Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? Yes, I remembered when I was in my secondary. At that time, I celebrated the New Year with my friend who was my secondary friend, because actually I have changed my school in my senior secondary. So at that time I celebrated with full of enthusiasm the New Year party with my friends. Why do people think New Year is a new beginning? I think some of the people think that New Year is a new beginning because they want to forget their worries, their tensions, and their vicissitudes of their life which they have faced in earlier in their life. They want to start their life on the new stage and a new situation, so that happiness can bring out in their life and worries can go out from their life also. Next question है 25th. Feel happy. Is there anything that make you feel happy lately? I think dancing is one of the activity which always make me feel happy lately, because whenever I remember the things where I danced and where I enjoyed with my friends, with my relatives and with my family members also, this type of situation always make me feel happy lately. Next up, what do you do to stay happy? Well, all the activities are done by me in order to stay happy, not only academically but also personally as well as professionally. Firstly, in my personal life, I maintain my diet. Firstly, my diet is very nice, so that I do not have to face any type of difficulty due to the lack of nutrition in my body. Secondly, I do the exercise in order to stay energetic, which always channelize my energy towards my workout. So in this way, I always like to stay happy. Not only this, but also I am punctual and I am very dedicated toward my work. So nothing is anything which I have to face. Nothing is present in my life which I have to face and which always put some of pressure and stress on my mind. Next question है, can you stay happy all time? Well, it's not possible, because a lot of ups and downs which we have to face in our life is considered as a mingle of sorrow and joy. So it is not possible for me to stay happy all time. Is it important to be a happy? Definitely it is very important to be a happy, because if we are happy, we are satisfied mentally properly towards our general life and towards our professional life also. Then we can live longer and we can stay more in our life, because person can always, happiness always bring out the hope, and person can become optimistic. That is more important in the life of the person. So that's why happiness give a great hope and right direction to the person in order to do something excitable in the life, and it add just jewel charm in our life. Without them, without the happiness, life is like lamp without oil, bird without wing. Next, a tree. What kind of tree do people usually plant in your country, and how about your hometown? Well, a numerous type of trees are always planted by the people in my country according to the seasonal, and some of the trees which always give the great benefits, like provide the extra amount of oxygen, and extra amount of oxygen which is more important in order to cure some of the disease. That is known as a neem. It is considered as a medicine tree among the people, so everyone wants to plant at home so that they can take a fresh air, and in this way some of the disease also can be cured, like as a asthma, and some of the respirational problems also can be cured in these type of terms. So neem tree, oak tree,